Forget everything you knew about the old Vantage. The 2025 AstonMartin Vantage just turned into a different beast. From the outside, it's lower, wider, and more muscular. From the inside, it's smarter, sharper, and finally, modern. That front grille, 38% larger than before. The LED headlights, all new. The side profile screams performance, and the rear, it's sculpted to slice the wind. With a new integrated diffuser and quad exhausts that aren't just for show. Step inside, and Aston Martin has finally gone digital, but with class. You get a 12.3-inch digital cluster, a new infotainment system co-developed with Mercedes, and everything wrapped in leather, Alcantara, and real metal trim. The cockpit is now fully driver-focused. The buttons are refined, the screen is better integrated, and the driving position, low, tight, and perfectly balanced for control. In this video, we'll break down every detail, from the redesigned seats and upgraded materials to the aerodynamic tweaks you might have missed. We'll even show how the Vantage now blends race-bred function with everyday luxury. So buckle up. This isn't just a facelift. This is Aston Martin, reimagining the Vantage for a new era.